Everybody gather around, it's time to sing. Everybody gather around, it's time to sing. It's time to clap your hands and time to stomp your feet. Everybody gather around, it's time to sing. Hi, my name is Alden Phelps. I make writing playful and exciting for elementary students using music, songwriting, and word games that radiate the joy of language, even as they explore concepts like syllables, rhymes, and figurative language. In my songs, assemblies, and workshops, students will stretch their ability to use language and explore writing that's creative, engaging, and challenging. They will revel in the joy of wordplay and song. They'll practice critical thinking by deconstructing pop songs and transforming them with their own ideas. They will demonstrate their knowledge of curriculum topics through their songwriting. It's a powerful example of arts integration. When a student is awakened to the power of self-expression through language, a light bulb turns on inside. They naturally want to write and share their ideas. And parody songwriting nurtures critical thinking, the ability to analyze what the world tells them and form their own judgments about it. My mission as a teaching artist is to see students everywhere eager to write and enjoying funny songs and parodies. It's subversive, empowering, higher level thinking, and really fun. It can be a challenge to interest students in writing, and I will change that together with you. For more information on how to join my fun and interactive program, please visit my artist profile on yamd.org. I look forward to our time together.